NCRT's new Class 8 history textbook has dropped the Paika Rebellion of 1817, and that has sparked a political storm in Odisha. The Paikas were the traditional landed militia of Odisha. They enjoyed rent-free land for their military service and policing duties, which were passed down through generations. But in 1803, when the British took over Odisha, everything changed. They removed the local king, the Raja of Khurda, and took control. The Paikas lost their land, taxes were increased, local currency was banned, and even essential items like salt were heavily taxed. In 1817, Bakshi Jagabandhu, a former commander of the Khurda forces, rose in revolt. He was supported by Mukunda Deva, the last Raja of Khurda, and several local zamindars. Jagabandhu led a diverse force of Paikas, peasants, and tribal groups. They attacked British offices and symbols of colonial power. For a while, they even forced the East India Company's forces to retreat. The rebellion quickly spread across large parts of Odisha, but eventually the British struck back and crushed the uprising. Jagabandhu went into hiding and surrendered several years later. Despite being suppressed, the Paika rebellion did achieve some results. The British were forced to grant large remissions of tax arrears, reduce assessments, stop the discretionary sale of defaulters' estates, and introduce a more liberal land settlement system. The Odisha government considers the Paika rebellion to be India's first war of independence because it took place 40 years before the 1857 revolt. Whether or not it's in the textbook, the Paika rebellion remains an important part of our history, and it deserves to be remembered.